Hi dears, hi everybody. Kati, we are going to be learning braids. Chiri eri chikana satu oba chi pencil But first, I'm going to be using this. First of all, ngena kuba unjigirize engeri yolukamu akakatutwa. First nga like how to braid nga toyongeddeko kikolanga pencil. So tugenda tuba tufuna ewuzi ne tugisiba anywhere. Osobola ofuna obusumaali, osobola ofuna like this is a board. Like lubawo lwa mwana kwasomera, so okateekamu board, okayisamu board, then bwe kajja nga katuuse wano eno n'okasalamu emirundi esatu, which means tugenda kufuna kapaati okuva eno nga katonoko, kitegeeza tugenda kukola 3/4. Tugenda kufuna kapaati okuva eno ne kapaati okuva wano. Kati tuyina bupatisi busatu. That means we are going to start the braiding obututwa. So braiding, we are going to just keep braiding like this. Like the way you braid your kanasat, the threes. So we are making threes. First of all, you have to learn how to make threes. How to add to make it a cornrow. So this is how we go. So that is it. So if you are going to make a cornrow after learning how to braid, tugenda kuba tufuna bo parts, as in we are going to separate hair mu different sizes. So akatandika emirundi egisinga bwoba busongovu, so akatandika kagenda beera nga katono bwe kati. So kana akatandika tugenda kukatereka wano. Zonna tugenda ziterekawo like to get it easily. So we are going to keep this here. Now we are going to get another smaller one and keep it also here. We are going to keep them here. Then we are going to keep getting, and we are going to get many. So we are going to get different size, get it slightly bigger because we want it to get bigger. So nitufuna yo size eno, tugenda tandika ofuna size katinga yeyo size neneko. So this is what I'm getting permanently paka wetumaliza, but there are going to be many. I'm going to keep like 15. Let me say 15. So kati buno waneno tuze tuongerako like we are adding on the side, so they are now 15. Kati tugenda tandika braiding. So as we are starting this, we are going to get our small one. So because it's always having that sharp start, so we are going to get it, pass it through again like this. So we bring it here. Get it closer. We bring it here. So we divide it into 3. That means we are getting a small part here, just a tiny part, so that we'll get also another tiny part from this other half. Kati tugenda funa this side kapat. Now this is the kapat. Kati we have got 3 sides, so we are going to start braiding. I don't know if you people know how to really braid, but braiding tutandika notereka kaneno between the middle finger and the index finger like this. Then tuja nekano netukatereka waneno, netuja kaneno netukatereka ku right hand between index finger and middle finger. Kati wetuba tutuse ku part esooka nga tumanyi tukamaze, tugenda funa this next. Kati tugatta ku mulundi ogwokubiri. That's when we start. Kati we are going to put this here and between this. Kana kawakati kasigala tekongeddwako, then we start again. Guno gwe mulundi ogusooka. Kitegeeza this one that we didn't add on kagenda kuba ku your left between the middle finger and the index finger. Then we are going to do our second part. Kati kanene akatayongedwako, it's going to be on your left, between the middle finger, no, between the big finger, this, I don't know what it's called, echisajja, and the index finger. Now we are going to get our second adding. So tugenda kuba tuteeka kukana akati ketutayongeddeko neno between the middle finger and the index finger. Kati then we continue. Ogwe mulundi ogusooka. Then akataafunye buli mulundi goba wayongeddeko ke kaba kagenda okuba mu guno omukono on your left, between this big, the thumb and the pointing finger over index finger. So we are going to add enyongera yaffe eyokusatu. So we are going to add between, again, fix it between the thumb and the pointing finger, then put it again between pointing finger and middle finger. So kanina akawakati tekafunye. So we are going to go first. This is number 1. Number 2. Akaba tekafunye kugwo mulundi woba oyongedde. I don't know if I'm even clear that much. Let me put it slightly closer. Akaba tekafunye kagenda kubanga kakola ki? Kafuna ku mulundi oguba guzzeeko. So I'm pausing so that I send the videos. When I yet I'm talking, it's not going to come full of it, like that's 7 minutes or something. That's why I'm sending small. Kati wetukomye wali eri. So tugenda kuba tugatta neera twongerako akali ku your left eno side between awali ekigalo ekisajja. So that's where we put neno mu kigalo ekikazi. Sorry, the middle one. So the middle one, then we are going to bring 1, then the second one. Kano ketuba tetwayongeddeko kaba kagenda kuba kazze ku side efuna. Then we are going to add 1 kakano ketutayongeddeko, then 2 kakaneno. So it gets a chance to also get. So netukongerako neno netukwatayo. You have to hold it slightly tighter, then we braid. 1, 2. Then netuongerako 1, kaneno, 2, kaneno kekatayongeddwako. Then still we come and add 1, this soka, then kuno gwakubiri. So it depends on, I think, the size of the braid you want and how long you want. Kati tuongerako 1, 2. So I'm now adding my last bobadenga 15 or 16 in different sizes. Nainga, or I think the last 8 are the same size. So tuongerako waneno. So netubanga tuka. We continue braiding as the normal braid. Let me keep shifting small. If you still want it to be bigger, so you continue cut. For me, this is where it is big, so I'm braiding now. Join these ones like this, then to sieve. That's not big issue. No pasika birosirie. So chicho chikana satu. I don't know if my camera is really working this time. So this is how it looks like. Wobotunga also okozesa eno side. It looks beautiful still. Still you can use this side, but for me I prefer this side wemba nayongereddeko. Don't forget nga temunatunga wig, you trim it, and that's it.